Greetings, beautiful ones. How you doing? Good, good. All right, so I have a message for you, right? Okay. So this message is about the requirement, right? The requirement. And I kept hearing the word requirement today. I was just like, okay, Angel, so what's going on with the requirement? What is it? So I sat down and they began to tell me that sometimes in our life, in order for us to get to the next space in our life, the next level, the thing that we're asking for, there's a requirement of us. And sometimes that requirement may be for us to separate. Sometimes that requirement may be for us to isolate. Sometimes it may be for us to let go of something. Sometimes it may be for us to do something, to really be assertive in an action. Whatever the requirement is of you, whatever Spirit is asking of you, whatever your life is asking you to do to get to the next level, are you willing to do that? So, a lot of times we ask for things and we want these things. We really, truly desire these things. And we get frustrated because they're not showing up. And a lot of times they're not showing up because we're not doing the work to bring those forth. We have to call things in as they are, but we also have to be prepared to receive those things. If you're not prepared to receive what you are asking for, there's going to be a little bit of a delay. If you're not ready to meet the requirement, to do what you need to do, then you're not ready to receive it. I wish there was just this magic fix in the universe, right? I mean, I think we all do. We all wish that there was just like this, boop, boop, here you go, right? But we are put here and given this power to do like marvelous, dynamic, magical things. Really, we are. But sometimes we need help from the other side to do those things. Now, for some people, that's God. Some people, that's the universe, your higher power, however you identify it, right? And then there's the possibility that your source is requiring you to do something. The message is that there is no giving without receiving, and there's no receiving without giving. You're worthy just because you are, but you have to do the work. And when it comes to doing the work, that's where the resistance takes place. Because we don't want to do the work. We want to do it easy. So the message is, and the question is, are you ready to meet the requirements to have the thing that you desire, to live the life that you desire, to be who you are sent forth to be? Because whatever that thing is, we're all waiting on you to do. And whatever that thing is that you're supposed to be doing in this world to make it better, that you're supposed to be showing up for, that the world needs you to do, we're all waiting on you to do it. So, when you are complaining about why you haven't had it or why it's not showing up or why it's not working, ask yourself this question. Did I meet the requirement? All right, y'all. Sending you lots of love and hugs. I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.